How to change Roblox keyboard controls. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Roblox application in your PC. Once you open the Roblox app, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and choose any game that you like to play. Tap on the screen icon. And once you're inside the game, in order for you to go ahead and change the keyboard controls, simply in your keyboard press escape, or you can simply tap on this Roblox icon. From here, tap on settings, and inside settings, you'll find an option that says movement mode. So it is set to default. From here, what you want to go ahead and do is change it to either keyboard plus mouse or simply change it to click to move. Once you're satisfied, simply tap on escape again or tap on resume. And just like so, you'll then be able to change the keyboard controls in Roblox. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.